Hello folks, today we are going to study about vertical circular motion. Here we have a bike rider at point B who is going to complete a circle. Point A is the highest point of the circular region. Now, we will take the downward direction as the direction of G. At point B, we can say the normal acting on the bike rider would be towards up and the mg would be acting downwards, whereas at the point A, the normal would be acting downwards as well as the mg would be acting downwards. So when we want to calculate the minimum velocity with which the bike rider should start his motion from point B so that he can complete the circle, we have the normal reaction at A should be just greater than 0. This will give us the bare minimum speed with which he should start from point B so that he can complete the whole circle. Now, for our calculation, we can take normal just equal to 0 so that we can find the minimum velocity here. Equating the forces at point A, we have N plus mg is equal to mv square by r, which is the centripetal force acting on the bike rider at A. Taking n as 0, we have v is equal to root rg, where r stands for the radius of the circular region. So for safe journey, we need a velocity v greater than or equal to root rg at point A. This we can calculate. Now we can calculate the minimum velocity at B by applying the work energy theorem on the points A and B. Applying work energy theorem at points A and B, we have mg into 2r plus half m v final square is equal to half m v initial square plus 0. We are taking the potential energy at point B is equal to 0. This is our reference point. So the potential energy at point A would be mg into h, where h is 2r. So this is the potential energy at point A. This is the kinetic energy at point A. This is the Ke at point B. This is potential energy at point B. Calculating henceforth, we get v square is equal to rg into 4 plus 1. This implies v is equal to root 5 rg, which shows us that the bare minimum velocity to complete the whole circle with a safe journey at point B, the velocity should be root 5 rg.